How to withdraw proposals on Upwork. Hi guys, welcome to another Upwork tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can withdraw proposals on Upwork. So if this is your question, sit back and watch till the end. The first step is to open your web browser and then log in into your Upwork account. Once you're logged in, this is how your Upwork account would look like. All right, you will be brought to the find work page automatically. So if you want to change the page you're on, you can just click on the find work tab in the top navigation menu and then select any other page you'd like to go to. Also, by the top right corner of the screen, you'll see your profile icon. Once you click on this, you will see your profile image, your settings page, and then the logout option. Then once you have seen all of this, for you to be able to withdraw proposals, you would move to the top navigation bar and then click on the find work option. After you've done that, in the box displayed, select proposals. Alright, so after selecting proposals, you'll be brought to the proposals page where you would see all of your proposals. For me, I have not gotten or written any proposal, right? That's why it is showing offers 0, invitation to interview 0, active proposal 0. But for you, you would see all of your proposals here. Now the next step is to find the proposal you want and then select the title. Depending on where the proposal is located, if it's the active proposal, whatever, just find it. After finding it and you've selected the title, scroll down and then select withdraw proposal, and then just like that, that particular proposal would be withdrawn. Then you can now repeat this process for as many proposals that you want to withdraw. It's that simple, right? So this is basically how you can withdraw proposals on Upwork. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and sure you try this out. All right, thanks for watching.